Izakhamuzi zalapha zithembela amanzi alethwa ngentanka nanyana kunjalo kufuze bakhambi bangelida ukuthi bafumana amanzi kanti kwesinye isikhathi bafumana impompi zomekere. Izakhamuzi ezizithi impilo ingaba lula nange bangafakelwa impompi ngekhaya. Ukuba khona kwamanzi kuzokurarulula nomraro wesorage. Izakhamuzi zisebenzisa indlwana zomphakathi nakhona zikaneli abe azihlwengisa ngasonke isikhathi ekubeka impilo yabo engozini.
Difficult. It's too much difficult. Because even right now, you see, I was washing. I must go in that side and go and fetch water. And if I have a tap in the house, it will be simple.
Umasipalada weTshwane uqinisekisa bona kunamahlelo asela khona ukulwisana nokuhlayela kwezenzelwa zomphakathi. Kanti uthi uhlelo ukuthuthukisa indawo le ibe lokishini elisemthethweni. Lokhu kulandela ukuthuthukisa kwendlela iR513 kanti kuzokulandela ihlelo lokwakhiwa kwezindlu. Ihlelweli liyingcenye yamahlelo kamasipalada lo wokususa emhlatlhana.
There are water challenges in terms of fast-tracking development in the space, but we are happy because the department in the city of Tshwane, together with Rainwater, they are busy with the processes to ensure that at least at the end of the day, this area is able to have water. The department, together with Rainwater, are able to come together and ensure that at least there's water bulk supply in the space for people to have water.
Kanti umasipalada weTshwane uqinisekisa bona indawo amanzi nokwakhiwa komthangalasisekelo weSorage e-extension 17 kuqedwe ngo-2018 kumngwengweni kuthi amapipe aqedwa ngo-2020 kumngwengweni. Okuseleko njenganje ukubana iRainwater yenziwayo umsebenzi. Rainwater khange itholakala ukuveza wayo amazizo ngendaba le.